Okay, we're carrying on with that PAYE. Okay, so where I am is we at where we were calculating the 80,000 rand. Now we are 300,000 rand. So what we're going to do is we're going to say the PAYE is 22% of the gross salary. So we'll say 22% multiplied by the 300,000. You're going to get 66,000 rand as your answer. And remember, we need to divide it by 12, and then we'll get P 5,500 rands per month. So what is this 5,500 rand per month telling me? It's telling me that that's the amount of PAYE or income tax that I need to pay. Pay as you earn, right? So S. Smith, every month they're going to deduct 5,500 rand from his salary. And we'll have a look at the salary slip a bit later on. So look at the last one. It says 40,000 rand at 6% of the gross salary. And it becomes, if you work out 6% of 40,000, you're going to get 2,400 that you need to pay for the whole annum. And then we're going to divide it by 12, and we're getting 200 rands per month. Can you see how it changes according to the amount of money that you're earning? The highest person is the Smith guy. Can you see his rate is higher? That guy is lower amount. His rate is a bit lower than that. And 40,000 rand is very low, so it's only 6%. So can you see how it changes? That means pay as you earn. So the more you earn, the more you're going to pay income tax, unfortunately, right? So you go through these examples. That's how to calculate income tax. So this activity 2.1 now is saying, use the following income tax scales to calculate the income tax to be deducted monthly on the salaries for the employees in the answer sheet below. Okay, so what is happening here is they're telling you, okay, let me just explain the activity to you, then you can do it on your own, right? So there's a salary scale, right? So now the rate of tax is telling you how much they're going to pay. So from 0 to 80,000 rand, if you're earning from 0 to 80,000 rand, right, you're going to pay how much? You're going to pay 18% on your salary, right? And then if you're between 80,000 and 130,000 rand, how much are you going to pay? You're going to pay 14,000 rand, 14,400 rand tax plus 25% of the amount above 80,000 rand. So let's do this one here together, okay? So what is happening is that here's the first person, right? So we've got, let's go through the example. Okay, they've given you an example here. 130,000 rand is your monthly salary. So which scale am I on? That's the first part that I need to do. Okay, I'm looking at the different scales and I need to see on which scale am I. I'm on 130,000 rand, so I need to know I have to go here. Then I need to go to this part to see how much of tax I need to pay. So what am I going to do? I'm going to pay, how much of tax am I going to pay? Okay, I'm going to pay 14,400 rand first, right? Okay, so that's the first part of it. And then anything that is above 80,000 rand, I'm going to pay 25% tax on it. So what they're doing is you have to take your own salary. So 130,000 rand, and you're minusing that 80,000 rand to see how much money you got above 80,000 rand, which is 50,000 rand. So the 50,000 rand, you're going to take it and you're going to multiply it by how much? It's telling you the rate there, by 25%. So if we calculate 50,000 rand times 25%, we're going to get 12,500 rand. And plus that 14,400. So how much is my monthly PAYE deduction going to be? I'm going to pay 26,900 rand for the annum. Okay, let me just go through that one more time and then you can do the activity for the rest of them, right? So what I'm saying is, I'm earning, okay, let's do the next one as an example, right? This guy is earning 195,000 rand. Your first step is you're going to look on which scale is he. Is he in that scale? No. Is he in that scale? No. So he's in which scale? He's in this scale here, right? 195,000 rand is working out in that scale there. So now we found which part of rate, which rate of tax must we use. So what do we need to do? We have to pay 41,900 rand worth of tax. So you have to pay that amount plus 35% of the amount above 180,000 rand. So I'm going to take 195,000 rand. I'm going to minus my 180,000 rand from there and see what is my amount. and 35% of that answer is what I need to pay plus this 41,900 Rand. Same thing that we did here. Okay, we took the 130,000 Rand, right? We had to minus it from the 80,000 Rand. We got an answer of 50,000 Rand. So 25% of that answer has to be paid, which is 12,500 plus the 14,400, which is the 26,900 Rand, right? So then you're going to try to calculate these three here, which is activity 2.1.